Alright guys, welcome back to Scotty Knows. Here we're in the garage today where we're actually going to be taking my Honda motor over to my dad's house. I've already got it rigged up. I'm going to go ahead and back my truck up, get this thing loaded up. I do have Pops coming over here to help me get this engine lift onto my truck and or his truck. And I also have to take some tires over because the plan for the car is right now it's on jack stands. I do actually have to mount some tires to it, get it off the jack stand. Since it's a single car garage, I have to push the car out, bring the motor in, and then push the car back in so I can get the motor ready for the install. So let's get this truck backed up. Let's go ahead and get this motor mounted into the truck, and then we'll get it over to Pop's house. Got the engine crane, air compressor, some wheels, and my jack to help get this car done. So let's make it over to the house. Got the motor loaded up, strapped down, nice and secure. We'll get this over to the house and get it in the car, hopefully. Alright, so gotta get some tires on this thing, put some air in the tires, then I should be able to push this thing out. Alright guys, so I got the car backed out here. I'll go ahead and sweep up in here a little bit, get this all cleaned up. Got my Del Sol tires on there temporarily. We'll get the motor pulled in and then push the car back in. So we got the motor in. It's looking fresh, looking clean. You got to clean the engine bay up a little bit. Got everything bolted in. The only thing I got to do is hook up all the hoses, get everything in, and should be good to go. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up today's video. I did get the motor mocked up in here on the motor mounts. I still got a few things to tighten up. I got to hook up all the hoses, all the wiring harness, everything like that. I wish I would have got more footage of the install. However, my battery died on my GoPro. But you will see more footage here coming soon, especially when I'm getting everything hooked up. I want to appreciate everybody for watching, supporting me as I make this journey, getting this motor in. It's been a long time coming. It's probably been about 15 years since this motor's been in this car. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, comment. Anything you guys want to see, let me know. And thank you for checking it out, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.